Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jenn Bell, your technology advisor, and today I'm here with David Osirus, a member of our remote services team, who will talk to you a bit about his role here at TeamLogic IT.
Hello everyone, my name is David. What we usually do on a daily basis is we try to help out clients, customers with anything they need remotely. So we'll try to help you troubleshoot your issues, anything from connecting printers to internet, wireless, that type of stuff. So pretty much anything that we can do that doesn't require us to do anything physically is what we do. So and we try to go give the best customer service we can, and we try to do it within a timely manner. And then whatever we can't do, then we escalate it, and the techs take it from there with what they can do. So that's pretty much what we do.
Thanks, David. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out. Until next time.